Hello, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to change a domain user password. All you need to do is click on Start, look for Administrative Tools, click on Active Directories, User and Computer. I'm not going to do that because I already have a shortcut which I placed on my taskbar. If you want to do that, right click and just ping to taskbar. So this is where my shortcut is. I'm just going to click on Active Directory, Users on Computer, and I'm going to look for user 1. This is the user I want to change the password to. All you need to do is click on it, right click, and reset password. Enter the password that you want to provide to this user and make sure you unlock the account. I usually do that as a practice to make sure that once the user tries to log in, his account is not locked. Click OK, and that will be the end of it. Thank you very much, and if you liked the video, just click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.